Hey, it's Killbyte here, and in this video, I'm excited to show you the FITCAMX dash cam. Yep, I said I was excited about a dash cam. Why? Well, you'll see. So it's the FITCAMX. There is a link in the description, as well as a discount code. So be sure to use that when ordering. Now, yes, it's got 4K. Yes, it does loop recording. It's got the collision detection, so it'll automatically save the video if it senses a collision. It includes the SD card. It has an app to manage it with. But here's the kicker. It looks OEM. That's right, it looks OEM. You don't even see it when you're looking through the windshield. You don't have that camera right there in your way for like when you put up your sunshade. Nope. I'll show you, you'll see what I mean. Oh, it's easy to install too. So yes, it looks OEM, but it's easy to install. So we'll install this, but first we got to open the box, see what's in it. So just real quick, you got your Wi-Fi connection, loop recording, G sensor, super wide angle, so it's 170-degree angle. Perfect fit, high dynamic range. So the manual is pretty good. There is a QR code if you want to watch a video on installing it, and then downloading the apps for Apple or Google, Android. And I'm not going to bore you with this, but it's a lot of languages and such. And here's the good stuff. Wait, for a dash cam? Doesn't look like a dash cam. Told you it was OEM. There's your dash cam, it's built in. This is that roof console by the mirror, behind the mirror. And it will literally go right in there and look like it came from the factory. And it's a 64 gig memory card, SD card. 64 gig is good for a dash cam. Plenty of time on there. Got to get support card. You need support. Oh, and I will tell you, they will support you on the app usage. And everything you need to install it here. So this is a SD card reader if you need one. Plug it in there and then plug that into your computer. There is your plugs. You will plug this in. Well, I'll show you on the install. And your trim tool might come in handy for removing the old parts. All right, let's get this installed. So these are the replacement pieces, and if you look at them, you can see how it kind of goes together. So what we're going to do is up here, we're going to push, kind of pull, and try to separate. There we go. Sunglasses holder, and there are two Phillips head screws. Remove those. Screws out, close it, use your trim tool. Gently pop that out. All right, so this one I unplugged. Just a little tab on the side. It's easy to unplug. I left those two in. This one you push here on the tab, and then you push right there. That stays in, but you then take your new piece, and it'll only fit on one way. Make sure it's pressed all the way in. Heard it tap. Push that back. This is your... Now in my case, I should point out I'm installing this on a 2016 Mazda CX-9. Snap that in. Okay, now we got this here. That's what we needed. Now we're going to take this piece, that there. You want to run a cable. There's a little hole right here. So take this. Okay, there's the right there. Okay, line the arrows up. So now I'm going to go ahead and plug this back in. Everything snap back in. Slide that back. push up. Now don't forget, you still got 2 screws. But first, I'm gonna test it before I lock everything back in. All right, I'm just doing a search, FITCAMX in the App Store, or you can scan QR codes. FITCAMX, get. Sure to take the blue protective piece off of the lens. You want to have the car, I have press start stop twice to bring it to the on position so that the camera starts. Now I'm going to hit open on the app, install the camera and power it on. Okay, we've done that. Oh, and there are lights right here and a couple buttons. So now what we need to do, we got to connect it via the Wi-Fi. So go to your Wi-Fi and you should see, in this case, car cam, password. All right, so here's your instructions for the English. Password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 default. Join. It's joining. Okay. Add camera. Install the camera and power it on. Connect. Okay, and this is, it's going to pop up. Yeah, messy garage. Record photo. Now go to camera settings. First thing you want to do, format that SD card. And here you have a lot of settings in here. You can show a timestamp. You got loops, defaults to 3 minutes. You can do others, 1 minute or 5 minutes. I find 3 minutes works fine. There's your video resolution, your speaker volume, recording your sound. Sound recording is off by default. I'm going to turn that on. Parking monitor, auto power on, and record a video once you detect a collision when the car is off. So I'm going to turn it on. If it works, it works. Not all models have this function. Please check the product information. Okay, so I think mine does, so I turned it on. Your sensitivity for collision detection. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple, which is good. So now we'll finish putting this back together, drive it for a few days, then we'll see how the video looks. And there's no cords. There's no cords. And these are your lights. These are your control buttons. There's your SD card. And there's the tag for FITCAM. So when you go to sell it or trade it in, you tell them it's got a built-in one. I tapped it. So the collision detection works. What's this? Lights went red. So there it is, installed. Nice clean look. Someone sees that, they're thinking factory installed. And wait, there's no dash cam for someone to steal. They're not gonna even think they could steal that one. So there's your benefit. So while watching a video, you can go back, move forward, pause it, and save it. You can share it, you can edit it, start and stop time, or you can delete it. You can zoom in to a point at least. So here we are on the interstate. Can we make out the license plate there on the left? Here we're coming to a stop on a 4-lane. You can easily see the truck to the left. How about the truck in front of that? Yep, you can see that too. And of course the car in front of you, you can see that easily.
In these low light conditions, we can get a partial on the right plate. And then this one showed up pretty good. So as we look at the beautiful sunset taken by the dash cam, the quality of the dash cam is there. It is a good 4K dash cam. Very happy with the video. You can pick up license plates. It's OEM though. It looks OEM, so you don't have those cords. It's not in the way when you put up a sunshade and stuff. So really happy with that. So link for it is in the description along with a discount code. And I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, or leave a tip on my coffee page. And good luck with your purchasing decision.